This is an update for all my eToro copy portfolios copiers for the month of February 2021. Welcome back again to my segment and video update on what will be happening for the next couple of weeks and month after. So far on my portfolio in February, I'm up around about almost close to 9%. I'm quite happy with the performance. I could do better, and I think there's still potential for it to go up on this current VIX below 20 bull run. So back in January, what's happened? January, there was a huge sell-off. I was close to having about 10% profit, but towards the second half, I fell as hard all the way to close to just closing below 4% yield. I thought it was good, but it wasn't good enough. There were some injuries in my portfolio, such as me buying Race Ferrari and also buying OIH, which is also the oil. I was hoping for recovery run, but those failed and those took a toll in my profit. But luckily, I had the likes of Tesla, Bitcoin, Airbnb, and also loads of AMD and Nvidia, which protect me from my fall. And now when we jumped onto February, things are going really well. So my play with the ARK Invest, which I've been putting a lot of effort in, especially ARK Finance, I want to make sure that I've got covered with the likes of PayPal, Square, Melly, all the nice e-commerce stocks and also e-payment platform, which is why I've been topping up so hard, and now I'm putting ARK as close to one of my top 3 holdings within the funds, and I'm hoping to top up more future. And secondly, it's a semiconductor play. As you all know, that I've been buying lots of SMH, Nvidia, AMD on the spec plate, including Taiwanese index, because I think that Taiwanese semiconductor and everyone should be a great play with this shortage of chip in the market. And finally, the ones that I've been topping up as well is still Tesla. I know I own a bit too much of a Tesla just now, but Tesla is a market that I always buy on a dip. And I'm never shy when Tesla do go over hype, and I do take some top profits off it and wait for it on dip and buy. So I'm swing trading a bit of Tesla, but I'm still holding Tesla as a majority stock holding portfolio, because I don't see any other company that's got the stability of Tesla revenue, that's got the stability of growth. In terms of cash, I think I'm holding cash around about between 20 to 25%. As I swing between the 20 to 25%, sometimes it goes as low as 15% if we do have a sell-off. But I'm not shy away from taking profit on these swing trade stocks if I want to capture those gains. So for cash, from between the month of February and all the way to the end of March, I'll be slowly trying to deplete the cash as I go along. So whatever you guys are holding that's not been invested, this will be slowly depleting until the end of March. I will try to buy good quality stocks on the regular dip, or if not, on the momentum. I just want to buy good quality growth stocks that I can see grow. So I've got eyes in the horizon on like the Fiverr, Pinterest, Airbnb, and all social media company like Twitter. So those are the ones I'm eyeing up for good growth. And I'm also not shying away from those Chinese and Japanese market as well, as you can see on my Nintendo and Sony. And I'm trying to go into more the Chinese market. I've already in Baba and Neo. I'm hoping to see more other new Chinese stocks that's coming up, because the Chinese recovery is so strong. I'm trying to get one that's got good growth, but also a good element of risk as well. So what happens after April? So I just want to give another warning, another 8 weeks warning, that by the time April starts, I'll be depositing cash. Okay, I'll be putting cash between 10 to 20% of my portfolio. So it should reflect 10 to 20%. Make sure you get those cash ready by April. Deposit in, and then that should hold us for another 3 months before my next input of cash, because cash is king. You know, trying to put cash into the account and let it grow is king. Trying to swing too much will put your risk on high. So I want to slowly deplete my cash, and then by the time April comes, we've got heaps of cash sitting aside in case there's any more dips. But if there's no opportunity, we keep as cash and just swing trade a small amount. So this is what the portfolio should be entitled to do, to go to get that growth in 2029, to beat index, to beat funds, and make sure we get the yield going. So if you're new, or if you want to put more cash, what should you do? What should you guys do? So there's 2 options, okay? As it stands now, I think my portfolio is good to copy on the full, because it's nicely placed with a good well balance. So if you're new, you can fully copy my portfolio and take the open trade, because I'm holding 3 key amazing stocks like the likes Tesla, ARK, Nintendo, and good Sony and semiconductor stocks. So these are all plays for growth. Even if you came in late, you should be taking with open trade tick, so you can copy every individual part of the portfolio to grow with me, and the excess additional funds in the back should be used for me to buy more on the dip or buy more on the swing to get that little small profit that we need. But for those of you who has got extra cash who wants to top up, what do? If you're trying to top up on the back end before April, then you should top your money up. If you're already depleted, then take and do not take the open trade. Just copy what's future trades are coming in. And then when April come, when you top up again, top it up with the copy tick button. Simple as that. I should leave that banner here, as you can see. And in future, I'm gonna leave a blog for more detailed instruction on the link below. Hopefully I can complete that while this video is done, so you can understand what you need to do to copy me. So end of the day, I want to grow this portfolio to a very substantial amount. Okay, the only person that I think is better than me just now is Jay Nemesis, the biggest eToro professional trader on the platform. I got high respects for him. So he's the one I'm benchmark against, and he's the one that I want to beat, and I want to be better, because you need to match yourself against the best. And I think I'm not too far from him. If I can mimic, beat him, that is what our portfolio do, and everybody is in a win-win situation, because end of the day, we all want to make this money grow while we sleep. So if you've got any comments, please leave your comments below, and please share your views, or you can join me on my free Discord channel as well, again on the link below, because at the end of the day, it's all about giving you value and making sure that I am working hard for your money while you focus on time with your family, and also focus time on saving up the cash. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do click like, subscribe, and also leave a comment so that I can know who you are. Thank you. Bye.